Gage fly by the rope and raising New Golden City. Hits the ground the early part, moving up. Snurp now from the outside. It's now Snurp leading the fight, followed by Security Force. Moving up is Tukmo Tiger Ripik. And going along for the first turn, Snurp leading by some 2.5 lengths, followed now by Tukmo. Racing on the outside, Security Force, 4 lengths back now in fourth, New Golden City. Moving up now in fifth instant, alongside now Tiger Ripik, then followed by Harbor Magic Soul Invictus. Down the half mile they travel, Snurp Tukmo, Security Force on the outside, but still Snurp needing by half a length. Tukmo Security Force lengths back, New Golden City. Here comes Instant Tiger Ripik. Harbor Magic, long way back, Soul Invictus. Inside the last 400. It's now Security Force on the outside. It's Security Force followed by Snurp moving up, New Golden City. It's Snurp and Security Force. New Golden City slipping now in between horses. It's Security Force. New Golden City takes the lead, and finally New Golden City. Security Force close, Snurp, Harbor Magic, Instant Soul Invictus.
Instant